here is the relation. See this relation. This relation is eta minus eta inverse rho eta equals to tau. Let us square this. Squaring gives us eta rho eta. Again, a square means you have to write this one time more, equals to eta square. So this thing is an identity element, eta inverse. So here it remains rho square eta. So you see that if you go like this, then you will have at last eta inverse rho to the power n eta equals to eta n. This means that order of tau and order of rho must be equal. Let us see whether it is true or not. First take rho. Rho in the question is given to be, here you see rho. Let us write this in simple form. Here 1 4 and thereafter 4. We have 4 here, so we see 4 in the upper part. 4 7, so 4 7. Now 7, here is 7 1, so 1 you see already in the upper part, here is 1, so this is a cycle. Now 1 after 1 there is 2, so let us see 2 here is 5. Now 5 8, now 8 2 8 2. Now after 2 there is 3, you see 3 constant. Thereafter 4 is already here. 5 we have written for 5. Now 6, you see 6 is constant. So this is the same element in disjoint cycle form. So its order is 3 because both are 3 cycles. Now let us do the same for tau. In tau you see 1 4 and 4 1, so this completes the cycle. Now after 1 we take 2 5 7 7 8 8 2. Now after 2 there is 3 is constant, you see 3 4 already here, 5 you see, and 6 is constant, you see. But you see that these two are different cycles of order 2 and 4, and HCF of these two is 4, so order of tau is 4. So these two have different orders, but according to this, rho and tau must have same order. So there is no element which satisfies this relation. So the answer will be 0. 0 is the right answer.